Have you seen what this new AI model can do? It literally just dropped, and it is completely shocking the AI video world. Just look at these clips. Every single one of these was generated using just one simple prompt. The outstanding results, the seamless flow, the perfect character movements.
The deal is off. Don't contact me again. You're making a huge mistake. Think about it.
And the hyper-realistic facial expressions are just wow. Honestly, this is miles ahead of Veo 3.1 and is getting dangerously close to Seedance quality. Just look at this container jump sequence. We used a very basic prompt, but the continuous motion, the slow motion physics, and the sheer cinematic feel are unbelievable. Today, we are going to put this model to the ultimate test to see exactly what it can really do. I am going to break it down into distinct stress tests: intense movie dialogue, high-speed fighting action, complex continuous jumps, and dynamic expression changes like smoothly transitioning from a laugh to a completely serious stare. Finally, we will test hyper-realistic crying. Honestly, Veo 3.1 never really nailed the natural crying look. It always felt a bit artificial. So, we are going to see exactly how this new model handles genuine, subtle tears. Let us see if it survives the test. The model we are talking about is called Omni Flash, and you can find it directly on the Flow website. Google actually introduced a few other insane tools alongside this, but we will cover those in our next video. But before we begin the stress tests, I have a massive surprise for you. Make sure you stick around until the very end of this video, because I am announcing a huge exclusive giveaway at the final section that you absolutely do not want to miss. Trust me, you will want to see this. So, let us jump right into the prompts and put this model to the ultimate test. Test number 1 is high-speed fighting movement. I wanted to see if it could actually handle complex action scenes without breaking. I used a very simple prompt for this, and by the way, all the master prompts I use in my videos are available for free for my students in my WhatsApp community, linked in the description. The result we got was outstanding. The movement, the character's facial expressions, and the overall audio-visual sync were flawless. Omni easily passed the first test. Moving on to test number 2, dynamic expression changing. When I was setting this up, I honestly did not think it would give me a realistic, smooth transition. I used a prompt focusing heavily on the character's outfit and the exact shift in her mood. Just look at how incredibly smooth that transition is. It looks entirely real. We are at a point where we can literally create our own animated movies with genuine, nuanced human expressions. Next up is test number 3, the continuous jump. I showed you a glimpse of this at the start, but let us look closer. I used a highly controlled prompt, and the result is mind-blowing. The sheer physics of the jump, the way she lands, and the hyper-realistic skin texture as she breathes heavily, it is exactly how a real human would react. Now for test number 4, dialogue with intense expressions. This one is genuinely my favorite. I used a detailed prompt and actually fed the AI the character's dialogue. The natural lip sync, the aggressive table slam, and the raw emotion in the characters make it look like a high-budget cinematic movie scene.
I told you, the deal is off. Don't contact me again. You're making a huge mistake. Think about it.
Finally, test number 5, the ultimate crying test. We already know Veo 3.1 struggled heavily with this, making it look completely artificial. Omni Flash stepped up to the challenge. I used a prompt that combined a fearful dialogue with a single, realistic tear.
Please save me from him. He's going to kill me.
The way she smoothly delivers the line while shifting from pure panic to shedding a tear is just phenomenal. Omni Flash passed every single stress test and completely blew my expectations out of the water. It is always thrilling to see a truly powerful tool enter the market. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments if you want a dedicated Veo versus Omni comparison next. Omni is incredibly affordable compared to Seedance, making it a massive game changer for creators. Now, I have a huge surprise for my amazing audience. I am hosting a giveaway where one lucky winner will get a 1-month Google Ultra plan, which gives you premium access to Omni Flash. The rules are incredibly simple. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. The winner will be announced exclusively in my WhatsApp community, so make sure you join that right now. We will see you in the next video where we uncover more mind-blowing Google tools that are making our workflows easier than ever. Bye for now.